We're still trying to recuperate, but it's not easy. My son's room is next to my room. That reminds me of my son.
Now at 5:30, a Fox 61 exclusive. The family of Mubarak Soulemane says it has reached a settlement in the civil case brought against 3 state troopers, as well as a claim against the state of Connecticut in the 19-year-old's death. This is different than the high-profile criminal case Trooper Brian North went through after he was charged for the 2020 shooting. He was found not guilty on all charges by a jury in March, including first-degree manslaughter. That case marked the first time in 17 years a Connecticut law enforcement officer was arrested after an on-duty deadly shooting. Fox 61's Angela Bavaro spoke with Soulemane's mother in her first sit-down interview since the verdict.
A lawyer for the Soulemane family says that settlement with the state still needs to be finalized by a probate court. The family does not want to share that settlement amount, but says it is fair and represents some form of the justice they hope to get in that criminal trial. Now, to recap this case, 19-year-old Mubarak Soulemane was shot as he sat behind the wheel of a stopped, stolen car with a kitchen knife in his hand. This happened after he led police on a pursuit on I-95 that ended in West Haven when Soulemane crashed into another vehicle and officers surrounded the car. Less than a minute after State Trooper Brian North went up to the driver's side door, he fired his gun 7 times through that window, killing Soulemane. The State Inspector General's investigation concluded the use of deadly force was not justified because North nor any other person was in imminent danger, and also any belief that anybody was in such danger was not reasonable. Mubarak's mother and her lawyer tell me this has been a long road. January 15th will mark 5 years since that shooting.
It's always in my mind, always, every minute, every second. It will never go away till the day I follow. Every mother. I don't wish this experience to any mother.
It's a big weight off their shoulders. It's like a cloud. At least partially, has been lifted. And with the civil case, the burden of proof is a lot different. We don't have to prove anything beyond a reasonable doubt. It's preponderance of the evidence, and we don't have to prove recklessness. So it's an easier carry.
Now, North told investigators he was concerned for the safety of 2 officers on the other side of that car. North said it appeared to him one of those officers was trying to enter the car to remove Soulemane through a broken-out window. At the same time, North said he saw Soulemane pull out a knife from his pocket and appeared to be preparing to attack either officer. We also reached out to the Connecticut State Police Union, which told us the organization and Trooper North will not be making any public statements about this issue. However, North did testify in that criminal trial. We'll show you some of that in the next hour, along with more of my interview with Mubarak's mother. A spokesperson for the Office of the Attorney General, which represented the state and troopers in settlement talks, says it would not be appropriate to comment until there is a complete and final agreement. In the studio, Angelo Bavaro, Fox 61, Connecticut's news station.